Music has always been a powerful force that transcends boundaries and connects people from all walks of life. Within this vast realm, guitar legends have emerged as game changers, revolutionizing the way we perceive and experience music. Their innovative techniques, unique sounds, and captivating performances have not only shaped the world of rock and roll but have left an indelible mark on music as a whole. In this article, we will delve into how these guitar legends changed the game and explore why their contributions matter. Setting the stage for innovation. Before diving into specific guitar legends who revolutionized music, it is important to understand the context in which they emerged. The mid-20th century saw a shift in popular music genres, with rock and roll taking center stage. This new genre called for a fresh approach to playing guitars, one that would captivate audiences like never before. Jimi Hendrix, redefining possibilities. Jimi Hendrix stands out as one of the most influential guitarists in history due to his ability to push boundaries and redefine what was possible on 6 strings. With his virtuosic skills, innovative use of effects pedals, feedback manipulation, and unconventional playing techniques such as string bending and vibrato control, he created an entirely new sonic landscape that mesmerized listeners worldwide. Eddie Van Halen, shredding into stardom. Eddie Van Halen burst onto the scene in the late 1970s with his band Van Halen, introducing a new era of guitar virtuosity characterized by lightning-fast solos and intricate finger-tapping techniques. His groundbreaking instrumental, Eruption, showcased his technical prowess while inspiring countless aspiring guitarists to push their limits. Stevie Ray Vaughan, the blues revivalist. Stevie Ray Vaughan breathed new life into the blues genre, infusing it with a fiery intensity and modern sensibility. His impeccable guitar skills, soulful bends, and emotionally charged solos brought the blues back into the mainstream consciousness. Vaughan's influence can still be felt in contemporary blues and rock music. Slash, the iconic riff master. Slash's iconic riffs with Guns N' Roses defined an entire generation of rock enthusiasts. His raw energy, melodic sensibility, and instantly recognizable guitar tone made him a true legend of his time. Songs like Sweet Child O' Mine showcased his ability to create memorable hooks that continue to resonate with audiences today. Why it matters. The contributions of these guitar legends go beyond their technical abilities or chart-topping hits. They have shaped the very fabric of music itself. By pushing boundaries and challenging conventions, they have inspired countless aspiring musicians to pick up a guitar and explore their own creative potential. Inspiring future generations. The impact of these guitar legends extends far beyond their own era. They continue to inspire new generations of musicians who strive to emulate their unique styles while adding their own personal touch. Their influence can be heard in various genres such as alternative rock, metal, and even pop music. The power of innovation. By revolutionizing the way guitars are played and sounds are created, these legends have expanded our understanding of what is possible within the realm of music itself. They have shown us that innovation knows no bounds when it comes to artistic expression. Conclusion. In conclusion, guitar legends such as Jimi Hendrix, Eddie Van Halen, Stevie Ray Vaughan, and Slash have left an indelible mark on the world of music through their innovative techniques and captivating performances. Their contributions not only transformed genres but also inspired future generations to push boundaries in pursuit of musical excellence. As we reflect on their legacies today, it becomes evident that their impact goes far beyond the realm of music. These guitar legends have shown us the power of creativity, innovation, and perseverance, qualities that can be applied to any aspect of life. So let us celebrate their achievements and continue to embrace the spirit of exploration and reinvention they have instilled in us all.